AI engineer, ML engineer, data scientist. Everyone uses these titles, but most students have no idea what the actual difference is. If you are confused about which career to choose, this video will clear everything in the next few minutes. These three roles sound similar, but they share some skills, but they focus on completely different goals. Today, I will explain the real difference with simple examples so you can choose the perfect path for your career. First one is data scientist. This is the brain of the company. A data scientist is basically the storyteller of data. Their goal is not just to build models, their goal is to understand why things are happening. They focus on data cleaning, data analysis, finding patterns, making business insights, visualizing data, and sometimes building ML models. If a company asks why are sales dropping or which customers will churn, a data scientist gives the answer. Think of them as analysts and machine learning and business understanding combined. Secondly, machine learning engineer. These are the builder. An ML engineer takes models and turns them into real working system. Their focus is training models, optimizing models, feature engineering, ML pipelines, deploying ML models, and working with big data sets. They care less about business stories and more about accuracy, performance, and deployment. If a data scientist creates a model, an ML engineer makes it run in production for millions of users. Think of them as engineers who build and deploy ML systems. And lastly, AI engineer, the inventor. AI engineers work with things that feel like intelligence. They build chatbots, recommendation systems, speech recognition, computer vision systems, deep learning models, and LLM based applications. Their job mixes up ML and software engineering and AI frameworks. AI engineers focus on automation and intelligence, not just traditional models. Thinking of things like ChatGPT's self-driving cars, facial recognition, that's AI engineering. And think of them as engineers who build systems that act smart. The real difference is data scientists that understand the data and ML engineer who builds and deploys ML models, and lastly AI engineer who builds intelligent systems beyond the classical ML. Or even simpler, data scientist, if why is this happening, and ML engineer, how do we build this model, and AI engineer performs on how do we make the system intelligent. So choose data scientist if you love numbers, statistics, business insight, data analysis, visualization, or storytelling with data. And choose ML engineer if you love coding, ML algorithms, deployment, pipelines, performance optimization. And lastly, choose AI engineer if you love deep learning, neural networks, computer vision, or NLP, building smart application, technologies. Your choice depends on your personality, not just the salary. So now you know the real difference between AI engineer, ML engineer, and data scientist. Tell me in the comments which one are you planning to become. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe for more AI focused content. See you in the next video. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.